In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide followers on LinkedIn. Navigating the world of LinkedIn and managing your digital privacy can sometimes be a bit overwhelming, but I'll guide you through this process to help you take control of your professional presence online. The first thing you'll need to do is head over to linkedin.com. If you're not already logged in, you'll want to sign in using either your Google or Microsoft account, or by entering your email address and password. Remember, if you have two-factor authentication enabled, you might need to verify your identity with a code sent to your phone. This is just a standard security measure designed to keep your account safe. Once you've logged into your profile, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page, where you'll find your profile picture. Clicking on it will bring up a drop-down menu, and from there, select Settings and Privacy. This menu is essential for customizing your LinkedIn experience, especially when it comes to protecting your privacy. On the Settings page, look at the sidebar on the left-hand side of your screen, and click on Visibility. This section is key as it helps you decide who can see your profile and details about your network. After clicking Visibility, proceed to Visibility of your profile and network. Here, you'll see several settings, but today, our focus is on who can see your connections. Simply toggle this setting to off, and this will prevent others from viewing your list of connections, adding a layer of privacy to your network. While it's important to mention that LinkedIn doesn't allow you to hide your follower count altogether, these steps significantly help in controlling who perceives your connection list. Managing the visibility of your activities, including who sees your followers, really strengthens your online privacy, aligning it with your personal preferences. Let's recap the steps we've walked through. Start by visiting linkedin.com and logging in, or signing up if necessary. Next, head to your profile settings and adjust your visibility preferences. These straightforward steps will empower you to maintain control over your professional network, making sure you share your profile details only with people you choose. Understanding and managing your online privacy isn't just about keeping information hidden, it's about having the freedom to share your professional journey the way you intend. Whether you're building a network or simply maintaining connections, having control over who sees your connections is a critical aspect of your LinkedIn experience. By managing these settings, you ensure your LinkedIn experience is aligned with your professional needs and privacy expectations. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you now feel more confident in managing your LinkedIn privacy settings. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on navigating the professional world online.